Hi, Tim from Kingdom Sewing Center. This is the Wallaby 2 cabinet we're going to talk about here. And if you notice, it's fully extended. So if you need to have the support in the back while you're sewing and in the front, this is an amazing cabinet. And what we're going to do is just going to lower it down. So if you need to have a little bit more room or use the room for something else, then that can be rolled. It's on wheels, and they are heavy-duty wheels. That can be rolled against the wall. We're going to slide on over here. This would be support for the fabric as well. The other side you could use for a cutting table if you want. And if you look at the storage here, so you could have more storage underneath, a drawer. Look at all the thread space you have there. So this would collapse. So if you're not using it, you could see that it's a shorter space in here. We have a sale on this particular model here. This is teak, and it is normally $2,200, and we have it on sale for $1,499. That's $700 savings, and then you save when you order it. It's called RTA, which is ready to assemble. That's 4, 5, or 6 hours. It matters how long it takes you to put this together. So this is factory assembled. That's normally $399 assembled and delivered. We will deliver it to your house, but it's already assembled, so save $400 more on that. So come in and take a look at the machine. Like I said before, I think it's a 3-position cabinet. So you have a free arm, the normal flush position, or it will drop all the way down. You can collapse it all up. So come on in Kingdom today.